Jam, do you know Mostro is providing the cookware machine abroad? Those machines make this kind of cook pots.
Oh yes, I know. Mostro manager ever told us that all of these pots in the shop are made by those kind of machine.
Yes, look at this pottage. It's perfectly made by that.
Yes, I touched by my fingers. It's not sharp, and I feel comfortable. I can even use it to cook for my family. I'm curious about what this machine looks like.
Oh, I remember. Linda had sent me some videos about it. Let's watch the video.
Edge trimming machine is widely used in the kitchenware industry. This one, presented by Mostro, is innovated by a long-time practical experience. It gets the pattern too. This is working on the mixing bowl edge. By this cutting, the bowl edge is perfectly for double wall welding, working very fast on the small mug edge. Processing on the cookware lid edge. Cutting the high-class cookware edge. Working on the plate edge. Working on the duck bowl inward edge. This is the steamer edge processing. Here we see how does an edge trimming machine work as baked to memmber in an automation rice cookware line. Helen, from the video, I know more about how trimming machine works now. And I really want to cook something with this pot for my family tonight.
Great!